Welcome to Warrior Trading Pro. As per my analysis, these are the resistance and support trends for tomorrow's morning market. Let's get into the analysis. Uh, the key levels for the Nifty 50 index for tomorrow's trading session will be like today we have closed around 25,023.80, marking a slight decline of 62 points or a quarter of percent. This indicates a bit of consolidation and a profit taking after the recent moves. The immediate battle line is drawn between the buy level or intraday support at 25,046, and the sell level or the intraday resistance is also at 25,046. This tight clustering right at the current price suggests the market is looking for its next directional cue. Now let's break down the critical support and resistance zones that will dictate the trend for the day ahead. Discussing about resistance analysis, starting with the upside, the resistance ladder is well defined. Like the first hurdle for any bullish move will be R1, which is at 25,116. A sustained move above this level could trigger some short covering and attract fresh buying interest. If the bulls manage to push through, the next significant instance resistance awaits at R2, which is 25,206. Clearing this would be a strong signal and could open the path towards R3 at 25,264. Now, beyond R3 lies the major resistance band, which is like R4, which is positioned at 25,339. This is a key level where we can expect sellers to become more active. A break above R4, however, would signal significant strength and could propel the index towards R5, which is at 25,429. The ultimate resistance for this setup, the ceiling, if you feel, will be at R6, which is at 25,519 for the bullish trend. To truly reset itself, the index would need a strong high volume close above the R6 level. In summary, the resistance journey from R1 to R6 represents a series of potential profit taking zones that the bulls will need to conquer. Now coming to detailed support zone analysis. Now let's flip to other side and look at the crucial support levels that are to prevent a deeper pullback. The immediate support is like S1, which is at 24,951. A break below today's low, and this S1 level would be the first sign of weakness, likely leading to a test of S2 at 24,851. If the selling pressure intensifies, the next major support floor will be at S3, which is 24,771. And a decisive break below S3 could accelerate the decline, targeting S4 at 24,676. Further, if we go down, S5 is at 24,596, which represents a significant support zone. A breach here would indicate a stronger bearish grip on the market, pushing the index towards strongest support level in our analysis, which is at S6, which is at 24,501. It's crucial to understand that if the Nifty were to break below S6, it would signal a much deeper correction is underway. And we could see a rapid move down towards the 24,300 to 24,200 zones again. So for the bulls, defending the S1 to S3 zone is absolutely critical for maintaining a positive near-time bias. So coming to trading strategy and scenario or concept, like how do we trade from here? So for a bullish scenario, we would want to see the index hold about 25,000. So after 25,000, the S1 level is at 24,951. So a buy on dips opportunity could emerge near S1 with a stop loss below S2, targeting a move back towards R1 and R2. A confirmed break above R3 could be used to add long positions into our scenario. For a bearish scenario, like our concept will be like something like a break and sustain trade below S1 at 24,951 could be used as trigger for fresh short positions. The initial target would be S2 followed by S3. A stop loss for this trade could be placed just above the R1 level. Please remember, like the market opening relative to these levels is very key. A gap up opening near the resistance zones might present selling opportunities, while a gap down opening near the support zones could offer buying opportunities for intraday traders. So, finally, coming to the point, the Nifty 50 is at a crucial critical junction. sandwiched between immediate support and resistance. The key levels to watch on the upside are 25,206 and 25,339. And on the downside, the 24,951 and 24,771 are key levels. Trade according to the breakout or breakdown from these defined zones. Always manage your risk and use stop loss effectively. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. See you tomorrow morning.